So today we're going to be covering how to create your module pages as each module gets released. You'll be adding obviously the new content to the site and making sure that everything is all set to go. So to begin with, this is what the module pages will look like. This is a template, and I've set this up for you in WordPress, so all you have to do is hit the button clone and add everything that needs to be added. So to make this really super simple for you, I wanted to show you how to basically edit and use each portion, and then we can kind of move forward from there. If you have any questions or you need anything, just let me know. So obviously here's the module, looks really pretty, super, super exciting, awesome. So in order to edit this page, we'll go ahead and go to the dashboard, and we'll start there. Normally you would hit edit page, but I'm going to take you a different way. So first thing I want you to do is go to Reclaiming the Sorcerer, go to Pages, and then you'll scroll down and go to the module template. Now you're going to clone this page. Once you clone this page, it's going to bring up the exact same page, except it'll say, I'll just show you what it does. It creates the button, or it creates the exact same page. As you see, it'll put a 2 at the end of it, basically like it's the second one. You can edit this. What I want you to put is the module number. So let's say this is going to be module number 1, so you would just put the number there. Then you would erase this little dupe button on the left just to make sure, and then put module 1. So this is stuff that you have to make sure you hit the button to update here. But these are just some of the changes from the get-go that you'll make to make sure each module is custom. The other really, really important factor is that you make sure you select the membership level. So people are registering to get to this content, so we have to set it up so only a certain set of people who have the power to log in because they've specifically registered for it. So in this case, the page level restriction for every module will be require Reclaiming the Sorcerer 2015. So in future years, we plan to build upon Reclaiming the Sorcerer. We really want to have certain membership levels, whether it's based by year. We have a VIP version. It's really important to make sure that it has its own name and it's unique. So every page will be Reclaiming the Sorcerer, 2015. Moving downward, you're going to start seeing all these crazy boxes. So the only stuff that you have to pay attention to is this right here, where it says text, module number, insert name of module. So you have access to the name of the modules on the Reclaiming the Sorcerer page. She might change the names, you never know, that happens. But you'll just go ahead and hit edit. For this one, it'll be number 1, and then you would put the name. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head. You'll just hit save. For the video or the recording of the video that you're going to see, same thing. You'll go ahead and go into the back end, hit edit, that pencil, and then you'll go ahead and back here and put the coding, the coding of the recording, which I'll have a different video for you on, and just copy and paste it here. Make sure there's a video generated there, hit save. The next one you'll do is actually come down here. This is the supplements. So this is where you're going to link to any of the worksheets, audios, meditations, anything that Jordana includes for each module via supplements will be hosted right here. So again, you hit edit where the pencil was, and then you insert them here. I'll show you how to link and how to create, images as a link in a different video, but this is where you're going to make all of that. You go ahead and hit save again. Same thing here. This is actually might not be something that you change, but support is this side, which is the right-hand side of the column. You'll go ahead and, add whether there's a Q&A or there was some extra guidance ship, or, direct them to the Facebook group. This is where it's just going to be like an extra section of referring them as a way to get support on the current module. Overall, that's going to be pretty much it. So you'll come up here and hit update. Once you do all of that, you'll have your brand new page with your brand new content on it. You can hit view page. It takes a second to load, I apologize. And then now you have your new content, module 1, support with all the supplements and that come with this module. So that's going to be the super easy part. We'll do that, I think, like every 3 weeks-ish. So you can always lean on me for support. But that's where you're going to always add that. The other page that you will need to edit is the welcome page. And the welcome page is where people are going to log in and come to the interface and see, I'll show you what the page looks like, see everything, the modules, the Facebook group, the schedule. This is basically going to be the main page where they're going to find all the information. So right here, we're going to start adding module links. Now I know this was on the membership page. It'll be changed by the time you watch this video, but on each membership page, or not membership, module page, I'm actually just going to put home, so it takes them back to this welcome page. In the welcome portion, or in this link on the welcome page, there will actually be links to every single module 1 through 12. So I will teach you how to add that by going into the back end, which is what I just did. I apologize for swapping. So I go ahead and go back to the back end, hit this purple bar. Now I know it's the purple bar based on the row background color, which is the purple bar of where we'll hold the links. And then we'll go ahead and hit edit. So if you notice, you can't see any text here. I know that's a little bit confusing and crazy. The text is white for this, so it can be seen on the actual purple bar. So here, you'll go into the back end. You will click here. We'll do the coding for it, which I'll explain all those changes a little differently another time. But this will be the link, and then you'll type module 1. And end reference link, and then each week you'll go ahead and add each module or each link for the template. And you only will have to do this on the welcome page, because we're not going to provide them with all the module links on the other pages. We'll just give them home so they're not too distracted by the other lessons. Other than that, each week, that's what it's going to look like for you. You're not going to add anything. You're not going to change anything. You don't have to change any graphics. If any of that needs to be done, I'll be helping you, or I'll send you another video to support you. So if you need anything else, I already sent you your logins for this backend. Feel free to come play around and look, ask any questions that you have, and just let me know. Have a good day.